Hello and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today we're going to be discussing what you see when you fire up CheckMate for Solidworks for the very first time. In fact, what you see on the screen in front of you is what you will see when you fire up CheckMate for Solidworks for the very first time. You'll notice up in the top left-hand corner there are no menus. Way this works is you'll see where it says Solidworks in the top left-hand corner, and there's a little arrow that pulls to the right. And as soon as I put my mouse cursor on it, it does automatically open. And what we want to do is go right to the end of it and click on the thumbtack so the menus stay. Now we still don't see a CheckMate menu here at all, and of course no icons. And that's because we don't have an actual part file open. Unless we have a CheckMate file open or even a blank file, an empty file to start, then we won't see any of the CheckMate menu or icons, toolbars, or ribbons. So let's go and open up a new file, brand new part file. And now you can see we have some toolbars up here and a ribbon. And let's just talk about these to make sure we have everything set up. If you don't see any CheckMate items up here at all, then the first thing you need to do is go down to where it says, under Tools, you want to go to Add-ins. And when you go to Tools, Add-ins, you want to look down at the very bottom, and you want to look for under Other Add-ins, a CKMT underbar SW. And when you see this, when you find this, you want to make sure that there's a check mark on either side of it, a check mark to the left and a check mark to the right. Now this should already be here, but this is something you just want to double check anyway. So we'll say OK. And then there's one more thing you want to do, is when you put your mouse cursor up into the toolbars area, you can do a little right click and you can see all of the CheckMate toolbars, and you can turn on some toolbars, you can turn off other ones. You can do this and customize this at will. But what you really want to do is make sure that there's a check mark up beside the command manager at the very top. If I turn off the command manager, then you won't have any of the ribbons. So let's go back and turn that command manager back on, and now we have all of our nice ribbons: measure, probe, construct, tolerance, because you really want those when you're doing your programming. So this is the basic things you want to check for when you first fire up your system and have it all ready to go. Thanks for watching.